Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to underline your text in Adobe InDesign. So now you will need to open your InDesign software and follow these simple steps. The first thing that I'm going to do in this example is of course to create a text or to type anything here in the page. So basically I'm just going to type a simple text, hello world. Now I'm just going to resize this panel, or I mean this text, so you can so it can be visible. So basically, to underline your text, you will need to have this properties panel or properties menu. If you don't have it here, don't worry. You need just to go to the windows and go to panel and properties and search for properties. As you can see, I have it already, but now it has disappeared. So let's regain it back and we go to properties here, and we're going to have our panel again basically, or you will need to have like the type and tables here, or having only the character panel. They are both going to work because the properties panel going to have the properties of the text and character is one of the properties. So basically, if you want to underline your text, you will need to have like these 3 points dots highlighted. If you don't have it, just click on it and you will have something like this in the character section. Now, as you can see, we have our text. You should select the parts that you want to underline. Either you will go in to underline the whole text, or only a character, or only a word. So basically, you will just click here and go for the underline here icon, or the T underlined character here. So you click on it and we will have our character underlined successfully. Basically, you can just under only one character if you want, like this, or you can also underline one word. So you have the choice to choose any underlining that you want. So basically, this is how you can underline your text in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching and goodbye.